Hello, and welcome to Andrew Broussard Watercolors. Today, we're going to do an unboxing of a Meeden art supply, and this is going to be the 10-drawer art supply storage box. So every so often, Meeden reaches out to me. I'm a Meeden affiliate, and they ask me if there's anything I want to collab on or review or just show on my channel. And recently, they reached out in regards to Christmas and Black Friday and Hanukkah, the holidays. Asking what I would like to review. So I requested this item and I started opening it up, but then I thought that it was really beneficial for you guys to see what it looks like, how they box it. And I'm not on that side, but you can see that all around it has some foam insulation, protection. Even between the two of them, it has that there. It's shifted a little bit since I started opening it up, but it's really well packaged. Now, on the website, they offer a few different styles, mainly in regards to color and the amount of drawers that it has. And like I said, this one is the 10, but you can get as little as 6, depending on what you want. Let's get this out of the way. So, here, with the 10, it comes into 2 parts. The smaller ones do not. And they have these little bars on top and the bottom to make it easier to stack. On the bottom, they're more towards the front and back. And on top, they're more towards the middle. So they kind of sit together like Lincoln logs. And it holds it in place pretty good. And because of this, it looks like if we had ordered more or got more from them, you can continue stacking these things up. If you were to do something like that, I would think maybe mounting a little bracket on the sides, maybe a nice piece of brass would be really nice. So, the drawers themselves, is this one upside down? Yeah, the drawers are upside down in this one. So I can just pull them right out, and you can see each drawer has the same number of sections. We have 2 wide, and a narrow one. And if you think about it, we have 5 spaces altogether, 10 drawers. That's 50 different slots in order to store stuff. Turning it around and putting it in the right way. And as you can see, they're all the same. So I did grab some items just to toss into the drawer to kind of get some ideas of what you can put in it. Oh, I put them all upside down. There we go, I just need to rotate that. Okay, so some stuff that I had thrown into this one. If you're a fan of micron pens, different types of pens, they're really great for different supplies. Water brushes fit in this, so that means that other brushes would probably fit as well. I grabbed a 5 milliliter tube. This is the Winsor & Newton 5 milliliter tubes fit in here. I'm not sure if the Cotman would fit as well. It should fit as well as the Van Gogh brand. So smaller tubes will fit in here. Gel pens, jelly rolls, especially if you're a crafter, you have a lot of options there. I grabbed this wax crayon. Meeden is sending me a pastel set to put inside this. So whenever I get that, I'll show that as well. So just various tools, pencils, Sharpies. We've got desiccant packs in here, keeping things nice and dry. I also put this tool in here. You might know this as like a nutcracker or a crab claw cracker. This is great for gripping the tops of tubes whenever you're having a hard time loosening them up. So if the paint dries, just grab this and pull that off. So now that we have it in the right direction, let me switch this one over. Be able to see. I know, I'm making a whole bunch of noise, I'm sorry. There we go. So you can see it fits together quite nicely. I wanted to talk real quick about the different options that they had and the different prices. So they have 3 of them that have the 6 drawers, and those are all 1 unit. There's a light one, there's kind of this medium one. They call this light one natural. What do they call the other ones? Sorry, the website's going a little slow. Walnut, and the last color is, I'll go quicker, they call it dark walnut. So those are the three different colors you can get it in. You can get it in the 6 draws or the 10 draws. They also have one that they labeled the Pro, and I'm not quite sure what the difference is. Okay, the Pro one has 3 draws and different types of handles. Looks like they might be a little bit deeper, the draws as well. Price-wise, they start at $50 and they go up to $93. Obviously, the 6 draw one is on the cheaper end of things, while the larger draws are more expensive. They also have varying costs based off of the tone that it is. Just a little bit more expensive for the darker ones. The natural is the lowest price. So I think that something like this is a great addition to any artist sets. It really is a great way to keep things organized, and I'm looking forward to filling it up. Right now, my art desk, if you watch my videos, you'll see that I have a lot of brushes and kind of paint tubes and things like that lying around on the art desk. So a way to keep it all nice and neat is great. And maybe you're somebody who doesn't have an art room or an art desk, you could store your stuff in here and then just simply bring it out to the kitchen table. My camera woman just notified me that this would be great for jewelry storage as well, and she's absolutely right. I feel like one of these might disappear and become her jewelry drawer. So I gotta keep an eye out for that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. As a Meeden affiliate, if you use my code, which is Andrew, you get 10% off and I get a kickback from them, which is helpful. But if you can find other codes and it's cheaper, they're always working deals. So give that a check out. And let me know. Let me know if you're interested in one and if you already have one. All right, y'all have a great day. Have a great holiday season, and y'all take care.